Welcome to the online classes class 12th. Now I am Shrestha Jharia. Today we are going to complete the exercises of chapter 2. So let's start. So the first question is, what was Minnie doing in the balcony? The answer is, Minnie was watching the children who were playing in the park. Now the second question, why was her mother worried as Minnie sat in the balcony? Minnie's mother worried because Minnie was sitting in the balcony and rain is about to start. Third, what is the meaning of word spastic? Answer is, the word spastic means a person who has no control over his hands and legs from birth. Now the fourth question, why did the neighborhood children not become friendly with her? The answer, the neighborhood children didn't become friendly with her because they were busy with their schoolmates and Minnie can't walk or play normally. Question number 5, what was the ball that fell in her lap? Answer, a wild duck was the ball that fell in her lap. Sixth, what happened to the bird? Answer, the bird was probably migrating back to his native land with his flock when he must have lost his way in the strong current of the wind that was blowing. In his frantic efforts to rejoin his mates, he had hurt himself on his wings. Now question number 7, how did the bird react when Minnie's mother tried to pick it up? The bird nipped her hand when Minnie's mother was trying to pick him up. Why do you think the bird refused to eat anything? Answer, the bird was not familiar with the nearness of human being and he was afraid too, so we think that this is the reason why the bird refused to eat anything. Question number 9, how was the bird fed? Answer, the bird was fed by an ink filler. Question number 10, what do you think Minnie named the bird Mitra? Answer, Minnie hasn't any friends, so she named the bird Mitra. Question number 11, what was the Minnie's reaction when she found Mitra's basket empty in the morning? When she found Mitra's basket empty in the morning, she was shocked. Why did the neighborhood children come to Minnie's house? Answer, the neighborhood children came to Minnie's house to see the bird. Question number 13, what change did the bird bring in the attitude of the neighborhood children towards Minnie? The neighborhood children became friendly with Minnie and they started to play with Minnie. This change brought by the bird in the attitude of the neighborhood children towards Minnie. Question number 14, what mistake did Anju make? How did she compensate? Anju said how the bird made with his friends because he is lame. She compensated by covering her mouth suddenly with her hand. Describe the duck's farewell. Minnie's answer, Minnie's father took all the children and the duck to a nearby lake. The children lifted Mitra from Minnie's lap and gently released him into the lake. He started swimming, shoveling the water with his beak. The children stood there for a long time watching. What do you think the story is about, Minnie or the duck? Why? Answer, the story is about Minnie because Minnie was a spastic. She was facing problem that she had no friend. She wanted to play with others, but her disability made her helpless. So the writer wanted to show Minnie's trouble and the duck was only an indicator of friendship. Okay, so thank you so much. Now let's meet in the next class.
Welcome student to my online classes. You are exercising question answer with the help of my daughter. Shrestacharya. Now we have to learn the grammar portion of this chapter. In the second chapter, we have to exercise about the determiner. So the student, I want to told you in the grammar portion, we learn here how to use determiner and where it will use. So first, what is determiner? Determiner are used at the beginning of noun groups. You use a specific determiner when people know exactly which things or people you are talking about. You use general determiners to talk about people or things without saying exactly who or what they are. In हिंदी, डिटरमाइनर किसी भी संज्ञा समूहों के सामने प्रयोग किए जाते हैं। विशेष डिटरमाइनर्स को आप बिल्कुल वैसे ही उपयोग कर सकते हैं जैसे कि वस्तु और लोग हैं। सामान्य डिटरमाइनर को हम वैसे ही कह सकते हैं जैसे कि वस्तु या लोग हैं। Look at here some example. Minnie was 12 years old and spastic. She did not speak much English. I met her in London. Her mother made some cooked rice in a bowl. When did you buy that dictionary? He speaks many different languages. There is enough food for all of us. Here you looked much, her, some, that, many, enough are in the red color word. These are the determiners, and you clearly understand it that these shows the quantity or relations of the things. So come in the next, specific determiner. What are the specific determiner? Definite articles. The is the specific determiners in definite article. Demonstrative: this, that, these, those. Possessive: my, our, your, his, her, its, their. General determiner: a, both, few, more, others, all, each, fewer, most, several, and, either, less, much, some, another, enough, little, neither, a few, any, every, many, no, a little. The determiner can never use with uncountable noun. जिन संज्ञा की गिनती नहीं की जा सकती उनके साथ डिटरमाइनर का प्रयोग नहीं किया जा सकता है। एंड जैसे जिन डिटरमाइनर्स का प्रयोग कभी भी अनकाउंटेबल नाउन के साथ नहीं करना है वो है एन, बोथ, एवरी, नाइदर, a, each, few, several, another, either, many. I think these determiner can never be used with the uncountable noun. Now we are learning about predeterminer. All and such are predeterminers. I have lost all the jewelry I had. Everyone will love such a beautiful flower. So all and such are here predeterminers. Now we have our exercise, fill in the blanks. I was going to Haridwar on, here we have to put the determiner the. On the way I met a European. Look at here, in the before European we have to put A, not N. Many students mistake here that they put here N because they see only E, but here we have to not see only the E. Here we have to see the what's the pronunciation of this word, that is start with U. In Hindi, that is start when we write European, we will start with ya, yag. So here we will use the verb determiner A. On the way I met a European. He was a disciple of an Indian religious guru who has seen living in an ashram near the Ganga, because the Ganga is the very sacred river in our India and it is very holy rivers. So we here use the for Ganga. The Ganga, for the last 2 years the European was going to spend some day with his guru. Days. So I think you have clearly understand the blanks how we filled here. Now coming to the next. A gentleman came to school to see the principal. In a school only one principal. So here we and principal are the most important person in the school. So here we use the. A gentleman came to school to see the principal. He was made to wait outside for an hour. Here H is consonant but H is silent here, so the pronunciation of this word is hour. So we use here N. He didn't object to it, but due to some personal reason the anger could be seen in his eye. Here some typing mistake, looking you angel, but that is anger. So correct it in the next. An educated person. Here we put N. An educated person should know how to write a clear and readable letter. Everyone has to write business letter of some sorts, and many have to face the problems of writing. We are the filling last blanks, that is, and many have to face the problems of writing an important letters. I think all the blanks have been filled, so it is your duty to write it in your fair notebook and send me their picture in WhatsApp group. To make your homework easy, I have given you all the blanks to take a screenshot here. Filled blanks are here. The red words are the words which have to fill in the blanks. In second, look at here, and third, look at here. You can take now the screenshot of this and do it in your fair notebook. Now the next exercise is rearrange the sentence. In your book you are looking, begin each sentence with a capital letter, and we have to rearrange these words because these are in a zigzag way. So first one, a apple and day the keeps away doctor. What will be the right arrangement of these words? These words should be in the right way. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Other section in the any friends, don't have you, question mark. If you look in the question, you are looking here a question mark is present, so definitely it will in the interrogative form. So we will start with have you any friends, have don't you any friends in the other section. Now Raju write can with an either. Raju can write with either hand. Ink in the bottle, much how there is. How much ink is there in the bottle? The few rupees I have spent already. I have spent the few rupees already I had. In this book are there pages how many? How many pages are there in this book? Nothing is open, so it is public holiday. It is a public holiday, so nothing is open. I think all the disarranged words are arranged here and you understand it clearly. Now I am giving you the answer of these to make a screenshot and you have to note it in the fair notebook. An apple a day keep the doctors away. Have you don't any friend? Another section. Raju can write with either hand. How much ink there is in the bottle? Here the spelling of ink is wrong in the screen, so you have to correct it in your fair notebook. I have spent the few rupees I had. How many pages are there in this book? It is public holiday, so nothing is open. Thank you for watching this video. I am Shiv Kumar Jharia, उच्च माध्यमिक शिक्षक in Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Baghraji, Block Kundam, District Jabalpur. Thank you for watching.